Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Today, we want to give you a detailed demonstration and introduction for our ice makers. So to start with, we want to show you two models that we have over here. Over here, this is our older model, and we're focusing today on our newest model. Now let's make a comparison between the two. For our older model, if you want to open it up and do some maintenance work or switching some spare parts, you have to use a screwdriver to screw individual nuts and bolts out before you can take it apart. But for our newer model, you can directly open it up and you can see the interior, switching spare parts or doing daily cleaning maintenance over here. There are different sizes for our ice makers. We have under countertop ones, or we have a freestanding one as well. We also have different sizes according to different needs. One of the key differences, along with our older model and our newest model, is also over here with the details. For example, this board over here, this is freeform. It will damage the ice machine long term. However, we are with our newest model. As you can see, it will slowly drop down in order to maintain the equipment's safety and long-term use. Also, on the back panel, you can see over here, we also have a strip over here preventing collision damage. Over here you can see a strip. For the chambers inside where we use to store ice, the interior of our cabinet is also installed with foam as well, just like our refrigerating system with 40 meter cubic per kilogram. So it's very concentrated, dense foaming to prevent any temperature loss. Actually, for our model, we can also control the size of the ice cube as well. For example, if you want a thinner ice cube, you can choose to set the number to be 3 or 4. If you want standard size, you can set it up to about 15. There's a total of 30 gears for you to choose from. So whether you want a very thick ice for beverages that needs long time ice storage, or is it for just some sodas or Coke, then you can choose to have a thinner piece of ice. So we can adjust accordingly. Usually, per tray, it takes anywhere from around 12 to 15 minutes to produce one tray of ice. It also depends on the environmental temperature as well. If you're in a normal temperature environment, you'll have normal production speed. If you are in a very hot area, then the production time might be a little bit slower. If you're in a very cold environment, then sometimes in order to make ice, it reduces less energy, meaning it might even produce 120 to 130% of the ice that it says it will produce. There's two types of cooling methods for ice machine. You can either use fan cooling or water cooling. If you decide to use fan cooling, you need to make sure that number one, it has a 10 centimeter or above space between the machine itself and the wall. This space gives the fan some space to take in the air and to break out the hot air. If you're using a water cooling method, directly connect a water tube in order to cool down for the whole system. The advantage of a water cooling system is that no matter how hot the local environment is, it can still maintain at least 80% of the production speed that it will indicate. If you're using a fan cooling system in harsh environments, for example, desert areas where the temperature might go up to about 50 degrees Celsius, then you're looking at a decrease in production speed. For our ice machines, it's usually equipped also with a water purifier, in case if the local water quality is not up to standard. And also, you can check out our quality as well. On the market, there's two types of icing board. Usually, it's either aluminum or copper. We use a better quality for copper so that these ice machines have a longer life expectancy. If you wish to know more about our ice cooling machine or any other kitchen equipment or refrigerating system, please contact us through our WhatsApp or email. Thank you very much.